Hi and welcome back to Mike Makes It. Today, nothing too exciting, just a little box. Well, I say a little box, it's filling the screen, isn't it? Arrived from Amazon, so we'll just get it open. I think what we'll find in here is a lot smaller than the box. It is. Let's go in a little bit closer on that. As I say, nothing's too exciting, it's just a 5-way 5-socket extension cable. Excuse the noise there. Let's just open that up. By J Electro. I've never heard of them, but Amazon have got them, and this is the second one I've got. So I'm very happy with it. I'll show you for why. Let's go in a little bit closer. Okay, there we go. It's 5-way quad socket. It's a 5-way socket with a 1.8 meter cable on it, British plug. It's only capable of 3.2 kilowatts, so do not go plugging 2 or 3 electric fires in on this. It's really meant for smaller devices such as USB chargers, and that in fact is the main reason for me having it. The main reason for me buying the first one was so I could switch off my Mac downstairs rather than pulling out the power adapter every time, which I did for about 1.5 years, I think it was. But now I can simply switch it off. Every one of these sockets here is individually switched with a neon as well, and they feel nice. Some switches that are built into the quad sockets, 2-way sockets, etc., feel a bit pants. Not very good at all. So let me just plug this in to a little socket over here. Right, nothing lit up because nothing's switched on, but flick it on. I don't know if you can make that out on the camera. I'm sure you can. The little neon in those just to indicate they're switched on or off, really. I find it very useful. I'm going to use it where I'm videoing at the minute, just to power up various USB sockets and a little monitor I use. Rather than unplugging them all the time, just simply flick the switch on or off. So that's it. I've got nothing more to say about that. 5-way socket, feels quite well built, and I'm happy with the first one. I've had that about a month and a half, no problems whatsoever, and I've used the switch quite a few times. It really does feel nice, not tacky, so I think it's going to last. But don't plug electric fires in, but do plug your USB adapters, small TVs, etc., and you're not going to have any problems at all. You can hang it on the wall. We're upside down currently. Put it the right way round. You can see you got the keyhole holes literally in the back, couple of screws on the wall, and that'll just slot into it. So it can be wall mounted as well. Typically I'm going to use both of mine just hanging on the floor like that. So yeah, that's it. Hope that you found that useful.